got a little bed crasher tonight. Hello. It's all cosy and tucked up. Morning. Didn't sleep brilliantly last night. I'll show you why. Yeah, that was oldest friend. I've had this little rascal with me all night as well. Hello. Anyway, we're heading over to Bala today. Don't know what we're going to do tonight. There's supposed to be a storm coming in. Put that on the screen and show you now. So, I don't know. It's saying it's going to head over to Wales. It's going to be like a repetition of last year, possibly, where we left early. Don't know yet. We'll see. However, plus side, at least I get to have a shower here before we go, because there are those nice showers. Looking forward to that. Right, we're all done here. Been a cracking little spot to stay over. Like I say, I didn't sleep brilliantly well. We're heading over to Bala now. Oh, what I did have here was I had a lovely Cae Adda and a Donald Trump. Feels so much better, so much better. Anyway, let's go. What do you think, Ed?
Let's go.
Yeah, he says let's go. It's a narrow, windy road to get to this place, but well worth it. Like I said earlier, don't know what's going to happen today weather-wise. Oldest friend reckons that the weather front isn't coming in until about 8-9 o'clock tonight, and if that's the case, it's good, but if it comes in early, could be a problem. Nice views for this drive to Bala. Lovely. Nice. Just dropping down into Bala. Look at that poor bugger, he's been waiting for a bus for years. I think this is going to be our choice of breakfast. Ooh. Oh yeah. The surrounding area here has changed quite considerably. All the shrubbery that was down here, gone. Not sure why. I'm guessing so that they can see who's, cheekily camping. Not us this time. Anyway, tide's in. Yeah, I know. Time to get something to eat. Maybe get a coffee on. Cheeky little rooker. Well, we're here, be rude not to. Well, that's washed it off. There's a proper deep puddle.
Found that one?
Yeah, there's quite a few. Ooh, that was close. So we had a little bit of a play about a Bala there. We're going to check out a possible spot to stay at tonight. It's only 1 o'clock. We may end up going home early because the forecast is due to get pretty bad. So don't know what we're doing yet. We're going to see how sheltered this spot is that we're going to have a look at. Bit of deforestation around here. This little area reminds me of an area of Scarborough, Forge Valley and Harewood Dale. It's a bit mucky, which means Nita will be paddling crap into Ainsley's car. I don't think we're going to end up staying here, although it is quite a nice little area. Picnic bench, there's some bins over there. I just heard running water and I thought, do you know what, I wonder if I can get to that and have a look. You know what I'm like, it's water. See, this is what ruins it, isn't it? This is the kind of thing that ruins it. Not very chatty. I just thought I'd come and have a look from the bridge. So there's lots of nice little trickly waterfalls and so on. Very shallow. Sounds good though. It is a lovely spot, and I'm no doubt this would be very quiet on a night. Very quiet. But as I say, it's a bit mucky. So we've decided to call it. A bit like last year, except for last year we actually called it during the storm because we didn't know it was coming. This year we know it's coming. Whilst this area, like I said, would be nice and sheltered because it is really well covered. So yeah, we're going to knock it. We're going to finish a few hours early. Would have been going home tomorrow morning anyway, so we're only missing an evening. Today was the only day we didn't have anything fixed planned, like going to see a castle or whatever, you know, any fixed area. We're going to go to Bala, but as we did, and have a mooch around there, and then take it from there. So that's it for this video and this whole trip. Hope you've enjoyed it. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing in terms of liking, subscribing and all that jazz. You take care of yourself.
Nita's sad.
That almost worked.
It did.
3 hours 23 minutes to get back. 157 miles. It's saying I should be home for about 4:39. I reckon probably closer to 5 because I might have a pit stop. And off we go. It is always a shame when you have to kind of call these trips off early, but that's why I call them Pegasus trips, because so much of it you're winging it on the hoof, and sometimes the weather dictates it might not be as bad as it's forecast to be. However, there's 2 storm fronts coming in, both from the southwest, both across Wales. So one tonight and then one tomorrow. It kind of makes sense to drive home in good conditions. Of course, the plus side to this is I do get to drive home through some nice scenic countryside. Cute little places. 554 miles that trip. Nice. Alright, thanks for watching. As I say, you take care. Cheerio.